Jai Hind. Welcome to today's online class. Today we are going to discuss about the grammar section. Grammar section is very simple in 9th standard. Grammar section is very simple. Can we see? First portion is वर्ण विच्छेद.
आज हम वर्ण विच्छेद के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. वर्ण मीन्स अक्षर, मीन्स लेटर. विच्छेद मीन्स अलग करना, मीन्स सेपरेट. So वर्ण विच्छेद means separation of each letters. So we can say the definition as शब्द के अक्षरों को अलग करके लिखने की रीति को वर्ण विच्छेद कहते हैं. So we can say as the splitting of each letters, that is varna vichhed. Let's see some examples. The letter ka. See, ka we can split as ku plus a. Another letter ka, dirgha ka. So we can split this as ku plus a. The next one ki. Ki we can split as ku plus e. Next one ki. So there dirgha that we can split as ku plus e. Clear? See some other letters. Ku. Ku we can split as ku plus u. Then another letter kr. How we can split it? Ku plus ir. Then another one kai. Kai that we can split it as ku plus I. The next one kam. Kam also we can split it as ku plus am. Now see some words. Rishi. Rishi, how can we split? R plus sh plus e. R no need to split because R is a swarakshar. We are splitting only Vyanjanakshar. Then next one, hums. H plus a, then plus s plus a. Then next word, manu. M plus a plus n plus u. Then another word, kala. K plus a, then l plus a. Then another one, dand. D plus plus t plus a. Okay. Now we can see more examples. Mahila. How can we split? M plus I plus l plus a. Then another word kela. K plus a plus l plus a. See children, while splitting you have to pronounce the word. See mahal. Mahal. See how can we split? M plus a plus h plus a plus l plus a. See hriday. How can we split? H plus ir plus d plus a plus y plus a. Then another word trishtada. D plus ir plus sh plus. There sh only half of sha. So we have to write sh plus then t plus a plus t plus a. Same as ashwa. Ashwa means only sha half. So we want to write sh. See a plus sh plus v plus a. Then shringar. Sh plus r plus plus g plus a plus r plus a. Then another one sohan. How can we split? S plus o plus h plus a plus n plus a. Then akriti. A plus k plus ir plus t plus e. Then another one bachpan. B plus a plus ch plus a plus p plus a plus n plus a. Then pustakalay. P plus u. Then s only half. So s only enough. Then plus t plus a. Then k plus a. Then plus l plus a plus y plus a. Then kisan. K plus e plus s plus a plus n plus a. Then car, simple word car. K plus a plus r plus a. Then Kamal, k plus a plus m plus a plus l plus a. Then the last Abhushan, a plus p plus u plus sh plus a plus n plus a. Okay, is it clear now? See children, you know how to split samyuktakshar? ये samyuktakshar कौन कौन सा है? इक्षा, उत्तरा, ज्ञा, श्रा. How we can split? Because samyuktakshar में दो अक्षर. So how can we split samyuktakshar? First one, iksha. How can we split? K plus sh. Then tra. How can we split? T plus ra. Then nya. How can we split? G plus nya. Then shra. How can we split? Sh plus ra. Okay. See children, now you have to practice the model other questions also which I have given you. See, you want to write the notes in a separate paper. Grammar section, first topic, Varna Vichhed, then write the definition, then write all the examples up to the last exercise. For exam, 2 questions will come, 2 marks for this Varna Vichhed. So study well. Next our topic is अनुस्वार. अनुस्वार का चिन्ह है एक शिरोरेखा और ऊपर में एक बिंदु. अनुस्वार. अनुस्वार मीन्स स्वरों के उच्चारण में यदि हवा केवल नासिका से निकले तो उसे अनुस्वार कहते हैं. Understood anything? स्वरों के उच्चारण में मीन्स while pronouncing एक लेटर हवा केवल नासिका से निकले मीन्स एयर इज कमिंग थ्रू नासिका. नासिका मीन्स नोज. सम एयर इज कमिंग थ्रू नोज. उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? अनुस्वार. while pronouncing some air is coming through nose, that letter is known as अनुस्वार. See, वर्ण के ऊपर के शिरोरेखा के ऊपर एक बिंदु हम लगाते हैं, उसे अनुस्वार कहते हैं. Now, in simple way, I can explain you. Listen. You know Pancham Varna. Pancham Varna means 5th letters. Ka, kha, ga, kha, nga. Which is the 5th letter? Nga. Like that. Nga, nya, na, na, ma. That is known as Pancham Varna. That means each section 5th letter. So, instead of these letters, we can put one dot above the line. That is known as अनुस्वार. In simple way, instead of 5th letter, we are putting on dot above the line. That is known as अनुस्वार. Here you can see some examples. अनुस्वार का example. See, Chandra. Instead of na, we can put dot. Next, Pang. There also ng. Instead of ng, we can put dot. Next, Band. Instead of na, we can put dot. Next, Gand. Sambandh. Then Kundali, there na. Instead of na, we can put dot. Then Vasanti. Next, Tambu. Tambu. Instead of ma, we can put dot. Then Mand. Then another one, Sangam. Instead of nga, we can put dot. See some more words. Samvad, Jangal, Chandan, Santosh, Kanth, Pang, ठंडा, पंकज, अंबर, कंबल. Next, our small topic is अनुनासिक. अनुनासिक. इसका सिंबल है चंद्र बिंदु और चंद्र बिंदी, we can say. See, what do you mean by अनुनासिक? अनुनासिक स्वरों के उच्चारण के समय हवा मुंह और नासिका दोनों से निकलती है. See, listen. स्वरों के उच्चारण के समय हवा मुंह और नासिका दोनों से निकलती है. Listen. While pronouncing that शब्द or that letter, some air is coming from nose and mouth. Some air is coming from nose and mouth. See, muh, gav. While pronouncing these words, some air is coming from muh and nasika. That means from mouth and nose. Clear? See, देखिए, here is some examples. मुह, गाँव, बांसुरी, ऊंट, सांप, पांच, दांत, बूंद, चांद, आंसू, माम, काम, गांठ, पूंछ. So in all these words we are using Chandra Bindi. This is known as Anunasik. So children, write down all these questions in your notebook. That means in your paper. Next small topic, Nukta. In our Hindi language, we have accepted some of the English, French, Urdu, Sanskrit words as our own words. See, in Malayalam also, we are using some Sanskrit, Tamil and English words as Malayalam words. We are using doctor, switch, telephone, etc. So in this case, we have no special letter for these. There we can apply this dot. So, एक अक्षर के नीचे हम क्या करते हैं? एक बिंदु लगाते हैं. So we are putting a dot down of the letter. See, for example, physics. While writing physics in English, we are using PH. So, Hindi में F. The same thing, file. File also, in English we are using F. But Hindi में there also F. So, that case we can apply a dot down of the letter F. See, here you can see some other example. In Zameen, Zindagi, Kagas, ज़्यादा, फारसी, ये शब्द विदेशी शब्द है. सो इन ज़ा, फ, इन शब्दों, इन अक्षरों के नीचे हम क्या करते हैं? एक बिंदु लगाते हैं. इसे नुक्ता कहते हैं. Is it clear now? See some of the words. सफ़ेद, नफ़रत, कागज़, कमज़ोर, तेज, ज़मीन and cheese. So in all these words you can see za or fa. So this za and fa we can see nukta, the dot which we are using down of the letter, that is nukta. So my dear children, today we have learned 4 small topics from grammar section. First one is Varna Vichhed. What is Varna Vichhed? We are splitting the word as each letters. See next one, Anuswar. Anuswar means, in Anuswar we are putting a dot instead of fifth letter. Then next topic is Anunasik. Anunasik means we are putting Chandra Bindi above some letters. And the last topic, Nukta. There we are using a dot down of the letter for some words. Is it clear now? So my dear ones, if you have any doubt, you again go through the videos. This is our new topic in grammar section. So you write these 4 topics in separate paper. Okay. Thank you.